The LB44 rotary drilling rig is the latest development in Liebherr's range of deep foundation products. Distinguishing advantages are its easy transportation and the short period of time between setup and operation. As the leader can be folded back for transportation with all hydraulic hoses connected, no disassembly is required when moving between two job sites. Subsequently, the LB44 can be set up rapidly using the quick assembly system. For the basic design of the rig, Liebherr remains true to its proven principles. This includes a large operating area thanks to parallel kinematics. Another aspect relates to the direct mounting of all winches on the leader. On the one hand, this allows for a direct view from the operator's cab to the main winch, and on the other hand, ensures that the ropes do not move during leader adjustment. Moreover, the undercarriage provides more stability thanks to long crawlers, but still provides small swing radius of the upper structure. The LB44 rotary drilling rig has been designed for drilling diameters of up to 3 meters and drilling depths of 92 meters. The rig is driven by a V8 diesel engine offering 505 kilowatt and complying with the exhaust certification stage 3B. Possible applications of the LB44 include Kelly drilling with double rotary head, continuous flight auger, and full displacement tool. The powerful rope crowd system with 56 tons pull force allows utilization of the entire length of the leader. The innovative BAT rotary drive offers a torque of 510 kilonewton-meter. The main advantages of the hydraulic drive manufactured by Liebherr are automated torque adjustment, continuous speed optimization, and 4 electronically adjustable speed ranges. Further advantages of this rotary drive are its simple structure, its low maintenance requirements, and above all, its exceptional efficiency. Like all Liebherr piling and drilling rigs, the LB44 is also fitted with the proven Litronic control system and thus offers a multitude of program options for the various drilling methods, as well as for clearly displayed information on service requirements and the condition of the machine. The use of many components manufactured by Liebherr guarantees the customer a product of highest quality. This is completed by the rig's robust design and a long service life.